Do you guys call them something else? They look like noodles to me, so I have always called them paper noodles. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bohemian Dreamer and welcome to another unboxing vlog. So I have received the August box from the Big Book Box and it is huge and it is heavy. So I want to unbox it here, and as usual they have a new genre this time, and it's related to witchy theme. I mean these books are related to all kinds of witchy things you can think of, like witches of Salem and the tortures and everything. Like every different type of books are in here, so I'm really excited. Like this is a dark genre and I'm really excited to like go into this and see what all they have sent us. So just one more thing, last time I did one mistake. So I said that espresso had 3 box and cappuccino 2, but it is the other way around. So to reiterate, the frappe box has only 1 book, then comes the espresso box which has 2 books, and then comes the cappuccino box which has 3 books, and then the mocha box which has 4 books, and they have recently added the brief box which has 5 books. So I ordered the brief one, but I don't know if they had sent the brief book inside this. So usually what happens is that with brief they send the 5th book separately. So I am not sure if that is the case in this case as well. So without any further ado, let's get started and let's see what is in the box. So our scissors really doesn't work. So we have found the box. This is again the blue one, and we have the hand sanitizer here. Let's open the box. Happy reading. Why not open this first? Because this was a separate one. Once and the Future Witches. So this book, Once and the Future Witches by Alix E. Harrow. This is a part of Mocha and Above boxes. I cannot wait to smell this book. That's the drug for me. Like how pretty is the cover. Okay, so we have this wrapping paper with which they wrapped the book, and it is huge wrapping paper. Like I am totally going to recycle this. Then we have this edition's Barefoot Sunshine. As I already mentioned, like this is a magazine and you can also submit your writings and everything in there. This time we have a pretty good amount of writings in here. Like even the last edition we didn't have this many pieces. So I'm really interested to read this. And also we have the list of goodies in this box. Then we have the Wiccan Book of Shadows. So this is actually a notebook, a pocket notebook, and it is the lined one. I absolutely love lined notebooks. That's funny because in my childhood I didn't like the lined ones. I used to think that those were childish and the unlined ones were like more mature, but as I have grown up I actually like the lined ones more right now. Comment below if you also feel the same. So next we have Vicious Spirits by Kat Cho, and this is the book of the month, meaning that this book will be available in all the boxes, and this is actually a alternate cover, a pretty alternate cover provided by TPB Box. It is a Big Book Box exclusive cover, and this is the original one. Like which one is better? I can't even decide. Both of them look so elegant and gorgeous, right? Then we have a set of 50 postcards in this cute sturdy box. So these postcards are about all the 50 books that were pre-loved by the readers of TPB Box. This is a collection, okay? If you are a book lover and if you have a library, then you will know by looking at these boxes like which one of the books you must read and you have already read. And also these postcards are so beautiful. And this box also, it is so sturdy that you can use it for your other purposes. Like if you want, you can use it to store stationeries or jewelries, whatever. Then we have the paper noodles here. Do you guys call it the paper noodles? I have always called them paper noodles. Next we have the book The Year of the Witching by Alexis Anderson, and it comes in espresso and rubber boxes. This is also a pretty white hardcover book. In the inside also it is white. Next we have the pin of the month. It says Memento Mori. So Memento Mori means one must remember that one will die. So one therefore prepare to party. Then we have some merches here. So we have the Ex Libris card, or it's a sticker actually. So Ex Libris means from the library of, and you can like stick this sticker on your journal or in your library, on your books, whatever. Then we have the John Updike stamp, and this is also a sticker. I usually stick my stamps on my journals to remember. Then we have a set of 7 tarot cards, a beautiful 7 tarot cards. So if you don't know, tarot cards are the ones that the witches use to read fortunes and stuff. So they have sent us 7 of them, and look how colorful and beautiful are they. Then we have 2 bookmarks, which is part of the theme. And then we have the colorful theme card, and the theme of this box is wicked and witchy, which is so me, if you know me. And there is your guide to this box. This is for the readers. Then we have a book sleeve by Gatsby and Grey. So this is a very sturdy one, and it doesn't have the chain like I hoped, but it does have the velcro. But yeah, it can store books of this size, and the color is beautiful, so that's a good addition. And the last one in this box is The Lost Carnival. This is a graphic novel. Look how pretty is that. Can't wait to start this one. And this is heavy. This book is small, but it is heavy. The feel is really luxurious here. Next we have a Ouija board or a planchette board, and it's definitely dark and witchy. I don't know how many of you dare to do a planchette in real life. Then we have the Studio Ghibli poster, and this was supposed to be in the July box, but they could not accommodate it in the box of July. That's why they like did it in here in the August box. This is again another colorful one, and you can totally stick it up on your wall, on your room's wall, and it would look beautiful. So that's all in the box here. As I suspected, the brief book is not in here, so that is okay. I am going to write to the help desk, and they are surely going to send the book to me, and that usually happens. They send the book separately, so there is no concern there. So that's it today, folks. Hope you have enjoyed this session. As you have guessed, maybe I have a huge TBR right now, and I cannot even keep track. So I am currently in a reading slump. That is why I haven't posted that many book reviews as such right now. But I'm trying to get back on the book reading train by this month. So stay with us, stay tuned to the Bohemian Dreamer, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We also post travel videos and lifestyle videos which you would love to see, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss another video from us. Stay well and keep dreaming. Bye.